Placata! Welcome back to Los Shoes Unboxing. Ya tú sabes, hermanita. Woo! What's in here? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Shoe box. I know what it is. The 11s. La Columbias. Blows me. Simple box. I miss the old boxes. The one where you can slide out, you know what I mean? Alright. Same type of wrapping they use in the 11s, you know, with the carbon fiber. God damn. Them dries out see. Ya tú sabes. I don't know what's going on right there, but I'm gonna ask around if that's normal. Other than that, this shoe is magnificent. The OG23 in the back. Oh my god. Snow test. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. It's not about these icy blue bottoms. Something about them. It's the best bottoms of J's. Let's find out what we got over here. See, that one got it a little bit too. Actually, this one don't. This is the one that does. So it's got like a little scuffy scuff on the carbon fiber. But the bottoms, man, god damn. They just look beautiful. Just a piece of art right here. Just simple white, icy blue bottoms. Icy blue on the tongue a little bit, you know. Patent leather, can't go wrong. And these go hard in the summer. I wish they came out in the summer. I would have rocked them in the summer. I might just have to wait on these, hold on to these for a little bit, and then I'm gonna rock them. But yeah, these are it. The one that we've all been waiting for this whole year. Now I can't wait for the Gammas coming out next year. Those are the ones. But other than that, you know, back in the box. There you go. Jordan 11 Legend Blues. Placata.